Ever dreamt of owning a pint-sized ball of energy? Chihuahuas might just be your new best friend. Chihuahuas are more than just adorable faces. They're portable bundles of joy. You can take them anywhere, whether it's a road trip or a quick coffee run. Plus, they're low maintenance. No need for massive dog beds or heavy-duty toys. A Chihuahua's perfect size means they're easy on your budget and space. These little guys are packed with personality. Don't let their size fool you. They've got the heart of a lion. They're loyal, protective, and will keep you entertained with their quirky antics. And let's not forget their endless cuddles. Chihuahuas love to snuggle up, making them the ultimate lapdogs. So, if you're looking for a furry friend who's small in size but big in love, a Chihuahua might just be the perfect addition to your family, ready to welcome a tiny whirlwind of joy into your life. Go ahead, adopt a Chihuahua today. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.